said he came.
He knocked on the door.
Okay.
Like this. And he came.
What did he do?
He's tired.
Can't be true. You better leave our gun down here. Wait, where's your Easter baskets? Are they upstairs?
Hmm?
Okay, come on. Come on, Jacob. Let's go get our Easter baskets. Let's get our Easter baskets.
Come upstairs.
Okay, come here, Jacob.
Easter bunny.
You have to look for eggs, Jacob. The Easter bunny hit him. Jacob, I see something. Look right there, Jacob. Did you find one?
Yeah.
Put it in your basket. Go find some more. You're supposed to put it in your basket. Find one, Jacob. Come in here, Jacob. See if you see any Easter eggs.
What's in it?
Oh, you see 'em. Daddy, they're Easter eggs, honey.
I found one.
Better go find some more before Jacob finds them all.
See if you see any more. You guys better look all over. Look all over, Jacob. See if you look over there. Jacob,
Look. Got the egg.
Jacob, look over there.
I see.
Jacob, look over there. Jacob, that's Jamie's. Jacob, look over there. Look over there, Jacob.
I see you. I see
You
you.
found one. Look everywhere.
That's Jamie. Oh.
Did you look everywhere? Jacob, come over here.
Look.
Come over here. To give Jamie his basket. Jacob. Jamie, did you look on the couch and around the couch? I saw a reflection.
Found one. Who's in the Mr. Bowman picture?
Goodness. Better keep looking. There's Daddy, really into it. Daddy, we were having our Easter. Jacob, look in the couch. Jamie, you gotta go get your basket.
I see you. Where's one? Where's the other one? I see with.
Oh, wow. Look at that. What'd you get? Easter eggs. There's some Easter eggs. Is there any more, Jamie? Are you looking? Oh, look at that.
Colors?
Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Money?
Quarter.
Did you get money?
Daddy.
Mmm.
Buster. Buster.
Whoa, gumball money.
Mmm. Money. Eat them, Jakey. Mmm.
Gumball money.
Mmm. Mmm. Gumball money, Janie.
Jamie, what happened?
Mmm.
Fun one.
Mmm.
Jamie, what about the Easter Bunny? What happened?
He got here.
He came here? What'd he do?
Give him some eggs.
Mmm.
Mom, look at Buster.
A fun one.
He's standing over his shoulder. Wow.
Mmm. Where's the rest of them? Did you find them all? Jamie
I
found
haven't
lots of
showered
them.
today.
Jakey.
Grandkid. Sounds weird when you say grandkids.
I
You have
think it sounds
grandchildren?
weird to you.
That points at me, it's getting the
Look,
finger.
no, everybody's
That's
like
mine.
I wanna drink
backlit.
some.
You can't see, it's just these
Just
figures.
slobber all over. Sure, you got the crack in the wall. You have grandchildren?
Oh, you're not gonna do that.
They're gonna be just scared of Dad.
I'll come over here because everyone's backlit.
Yes, Evan, crime and Nutley. He's a pokey.
Oh, stupid. Oh, dog. Afraid. Gumball.
Gumbo.